Constitution Day is a public holiday in Nepal, celebrated on September 19 every year. It commemorates the anniversary of the adoption of the 2015 Constitution of Nepal that officially consolidated the country's transition from a constitutional monarchy to a federal republic. Nepal's struggle for a constitution spans over 7 decades. Government of Nepal Act 1948. The first constitution of Nepal, titled Government of Nepal Act 1948, was effective from 1 April 1948. The constitution had 68 articles. The power was solely owned by the prime ministers to select a bicameral legislature members or to alter the decisions made by them. Interim Government of Nepal Act 1951. After the Government of Nepal Act, an interim constitution was established which restored the power to the king. The constitution was called the Interim Government of Nepal Act. The then king, Tribhuvan Bir Bikram Shah, promulgated the constitution. Third, the Constitution of the Kingdom of Nepal 1959. In 1959, parliamentary elections were conducted by King Mahendra Bir Bikram Shah. He established another constitution just before the elections. The Constitution of Nepal 1962. King Mahendra established the Panchayat constitution, which had the provision of forming local assemblies. However, the king had the sole power in this system. Democracy was limited and no one could form political parties. The Constitution of the Kingdom of Nepal 1990. A revolt in 1990 pressurized Birendra Bir Bikram Shah to take up a new constitution and switch to constitutional monarchy. Now the king didn't have the sole power like before. A multi-party system with parliamentary system of government was formed. Sixth, the Interim Constitution of Nepal 2007. The Interim Constitution, which was adopted on January 15, 2007, announced the abolition of monarchy. It was implemented only on May 27, 2008, after the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly. Seventh, the latest one, the Constitution of Nepal 2072 BS. The Constitution of Nepal 2072 was endorsed on September 16, 2015 by the Constituent Assembly meeting by more than two-thirds majority. It states Nepal as a federal democratic republican nation. The executive rights of the country are stated to belong to the Council of Ministers, while the President would be ceremonial head of the state. The Constitution of Nepal 2015 marked a major achievement for the country's peaceful transition to democracy following the civil war between 1996 and 2006. The Constitution introduces a competitive multi-party democratic system, civic freedom, fundamental rights, human rights, periodic elections, voting rights, full of freedom of the press, and an independent judiciary. It provides a vision of a prosperous nation built on principles of socialism, the rule of law, democratic values, durable peace, good governance, and sustainable development. Articles 18.2 and 51.7 of the Constitution contain provisions for youth rights relating to participation and empowerment in Nepal, as well as protections from discrimination. The Constitution of Nepal provides a progressive example of an inclusive constitution that addresses historical inequalities and creates a vision for a sustainable and prosperous future. It is also a useful example for countries with large youth populations transitioning to democracy following a period of conflict. Due to the above and its full respect for the future justice principles, the Constitution of Nepal is recognized with Future Policy Silver Award 2019 for political participation and civil engagement of youth, awarded by the World Future Council in partnership with UNDP and ILO. And that were the basic things about the Constitution of Nepal. Thank you for listening.